Google DeepMind just dropped something wild. A brand new image generation and editing model inside the Gemini app, and it's got a fun name, Nano Banana. Want to turn your dog into a miniature figurine? Done. Or maybe transform yourself into a video game hero? Easy. Feeling nostalgic? Have a tea party with your younger self? Yes, seriously. With Nano Banana, you get more control than ever. Keep a person or pet consistent across edits, blend multiple photos together, change parts of an image while keeping the rest untouched, and even apply styles from one picture to another, all while preserving the important details. It's like Photoshop, but powered by cutting-edge AI. Simple, fast, and endlessly creative. The possibilities? Pretty much limitless. Ready to reimagine your photos? Nano Banana is now rolling out in the Gemini app. You get up to 100 free edits a day, so go wild. With Gemini's Nano Banana, creativity is just a prompt away. What will you create? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech news and reviews.